How's it going, guys? My name is Sam Du from Super Street Magazine, and I'm here with James Nazarian from Honda Performance Development. We're here today because HPD has some very exciting news about a new crate engine offering they have. But before that, we're gonna take a look at this Civic Si Coupe that's been pretty much heavily modified and it's ready to race. James, why don't you take away and tell us about the car?
Sure, so the car is built from the 10th gen Civic Si, and this is a turnkey race car available from HPD. So in our Civic turnkey race cars, they're the full cage in them, brakes, suspension, new dampers, everything that you would need to take the car racing.
And these cars have been kind of racing on Pro Series for a little bit now?
That's right, so they've been available in Pro Series as well as some amateur racing for the last 2 years.
These race on the Series with their stock 1.5 liter turbo engines, correct?
That's right.
We're excited today because under the hood is something special.
What's under the hood in this car is what makes it unique.
That is normally an engine we find in the Civic Type R, and it's somehow in the Civic Si Coupe. So exciting news today is HPD is offering a full crate engine with controls package that you can put into your own Civic at home.
Yep, so this is as you said, the 2-liter Type R engine, as well as an HPD ECU and engine swap harness to make it possible to put it into anything the customer would want to.
And what comes with the whole package?
The crate engine is the engine long block, turbo, starter, alternator. The controls package is ECU, the swap harness, accelerator pedal, the things that you would need to run the engine.
What's unique about the ECU?
The ECU is developed by HPD specifically for motorsports customers, but with a level of protection in it that normally you wouldn't get in a pure racing ECU.
And I'm most excited about this because when they debuted this at SEMA a few years ago, it was only available to really pro race teams. Now it's going to be more available to backyard time attack racers and Honda builders. It's going to be basically available to you.
That's right. So we've had the engines available for a few years, specifically to racing customers, but those customers needed to come up with their own ECUs, their own calibrations. What we're really excited for now is we can sell it to any customer who's going to use it in any off-highway application, and the controls package will come pre-tuned, so all you have to do is hook up a handful of wires and you're ready to go.
Very cool. And is HPD going to offer support and other parts to help with these swaps?
Yes, we're going to have a limited number of vendors throughout the country that can help with swaps and custom installations. We can always help with Honda OEM parts as well as HPD's developed motorsports parts, either from our open wheel or from our touring car programs.
And this is going to be available pretty soon?
That's right. So the engines are available now, but the controls package will be released on May 1st.
Well, thank you, James. It's been exciting. I can't wait till May to see people actually picking up this engine and swapping it into their builds at home. I can already think of a bunch of ideas I'd love to see, whether it's putting it into an older Civic, an S2000, or even another Civic Coupe like this. Thank you so much for giving us a first look at this Type R crate engine, and thanks for watching.